Paul. Big pull, Paul. Big pull. Come on. Get it up there. Get it up there. That's it. Big pulls. Big pulls. Give it up. Good. Good. That's it, Kara. Come on. Nice. Drive it, ladies. Drive it, drive it, drive it. Good work. Good work. Fire them up. Nice. Good job, everybody. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep working. Keep working. Good work. That's it, girls. Nice. Keep that up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Work to that rest. Work to that rest. That's it. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Good. Keep hitting those burpees. Get that wall, ladies. Get it. Get it. Get it. Good. Get it, Timmy. Come on. That's it. Keep it up. Keep it up. Good. Hit your active recovery. Just hold that plank. Straight up. Good. That's it. Lock those planks out. Hit that ball up, Michelle. Yep. Rack position. That's it.